Ever pondered over the health benefits of the humble cashew nut? Prepare to have your mind blown as we delve into the top 10 benefits of cashew nuts for human health. At number 10, cashews are a powerhouse of dietary fiber. This vital nutrient aids digestion, ensuring that your system runs smoothly. A handful of these nuts can help keep those tummy troubles at bay. Moving on to number 9, cashews are a rich source of essential minerals. Magnesium, potassium, and calcium, all packed into these small wonders, contribute to maintaining bone health. Eighth on our list is the benefit of these nuts for your skin. Cashews are loaded with antioxidants and high amounts of copper, which promotes the production of skin and hair pigment, melanin. Say hello to glowing skin and shiny hair. Seventh, cashews are a heart's best friend. They contain heart-friendly monounsaturated fats, similar to those found in olive oil. These help to reduce harmful low-density lipoprotein, or bad cholesterol, and increase the good high-density lipoprotein. Coming in at number 6, cashews help manage weight. Contrary to popular belief, the healthy fats and fiber in cashews make you feel full, reducing overeating and unhealthy snacking. Halfway through our list at number 5, cashews are a boon for your eyes. They contain a powerful antioxidant pigment called zeaxanthin, which protects the eyes from harmful UV rays and promotes healthy vision. At number 4, cashews help control blood sugar. Their low sugar content and rich fiber make them an excellent snack for diabetics or those looking to manage their sugar levels. The third benefit is for the brain. Cashews are a source of healthy dietary fats, which aid in the development and functioning of brain cells. They also contain iron, which helps in preventing brain disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Second on our list, cashews boost the immune system. They are rich in zinc, which plays a vital role in strengthening the immune system against microbial infections. And the number one benefit of cashews, they improve mood. Cashews contain tryptophan, an amino acid that boosts the production of serotonin, a hormone that regulates mood. So next time you're feeling a bit low, reach out for a handful of cashews. To summarize, cashews are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, essential minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats. They promote heart health, manage weight, protect the eyes, control blood sugar, and boost the brain and immune system. And most importantly, they are a mood enhancer. So it's clear that cashews are more than just a tasty snack. They are a powerhouse of health benefits. So why not incorporate them into your daily diet? Remember, good health is just a handful of cashews away.